Is it possible to customize the domain for my Base44 app? Yes, it is absolutely possible to customize the domain for your Base44 app. The platform allows you to connect your own custom domain name instead of using the default Base44 subdomain. This means your app can appear under your own branded web address, giving it a more professional and personalized appearance that aligns with your brand identity or business presence online. To set it up, Base44 provides a simple domain management option within your app settings. You can either connect a domain you already own or purchase a new one directly through the platform. Once connected, Base44 automatically handles essential technical details such as SSL certificates and DNS configurations, ensuring your domain is secure and runs smoothly under HTTPS. In real-world use, many creators and startups prefer this feature because it enhances credibility and branding for client-facing apps, portfolios, and web tools. It's especially beneficial for small businesses and professionals who want to maintain a consistent identity across all their online platforms. Custom domain support also makes Base44 apps suitable for commercial deployment, not just internal use. You can start using Base44 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to create your own professional app at no cost.